Hey guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get regular update for my new videos. Hi guys, this is Neetu and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's inner design, I'm thinking of going very simple, easy and no effort kind of a nail art design. So for this design, I'm just going to use only two colors, and for this only you can get an awesome nail art design. This design needs a very shiny nail polish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a Nykaa Gel Shine polish because they really shine, and the other color I'm using is a Maybelline Gold. So let's see how this no effort nail art design is done. Hey guys, start your manicure with your favorite base coat to protect your nails. Once this dries, the base color I'm using is this by Nykaa, and it's a beautiful color with lots of shine in it. This is the brush I'm going to use to draw some boundaries where I'm not going to apply this nail polish color, and this step will make it more easier to apply the polish. Okay, once you're done with it, apply the polish. Oh, I totally forgot to apply latex peel off, and this is going to create a mess. So it's going to take a lot of time to clean it up, guys. But I'm not going to miss this step on my next nail. And I am out of camera. So now the polish, I'm going to remove it with the help of a brush and some acetone on it, as I forgot to apply my latex peel off. See, it is going to take a lot of time now. Once my polish is dry, I'm going to apply this glitter polish in the empty space. If you don't have a glitter polish, what you can do is apply a transparent polish and then add some glitter powder on it. Once both the polish are dry, just apply a top coat and your design is done. If you give it a try, then share the picture with me on my social media links, which are in the description box. Have any questions, just write them in the comment box. Do like and subscribe, and I will be back with some more beautiful design. Till then, bye.